For this challenge, I decided to use Google Forms to show my survey assessment tool. So the survey I created kind of is an assessment and a survey. Like it says right here, it says this is like a pre-test because I'm going to put this in my interactive module at the beginning to test the prior knowledge. So as you can see, Google Forms is super easy to use. You can add stuff. You can type some stuff, add some more columns. It's super easy. And so you scroll down and there's more questions. And so in order to see the responses, you click on responses, and I can see that I have 3 responses right now, sorry. When I click on this, you can see a summary of all the things. So if you hover over this, you can say that 3 people checked grains, so on. This shows the summary. And this one, 100 people answered the correct answer. And then this kind of shows an interactive pie chart of the responses. If you click individual, you can see individually. So one person thought this, another person thought this, and lastly, this person saw this. So yeah, I feel like Google Forms is super easy to use and a very interactive. It could be an assessment tool, a survey tool, or even a form tool.